If you want to set a photo as your wallpaper on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max, so here is the process. First of all, just open the Photos app, then go to Library. Now from here, just select a photo which you want to set as your wallpaper. For an example, I will select this photo. Now just tap on the Share button at the bottom of the screen. Now if you swipe up, you will find the option of Use as Wallpaper. Just tap on it. Now from here, you can adjust the photo on the wallpaper. Now once you're satisfied with the size of your photo, just tap on Add. Now if you want to set the selected photo as the wallpaper of your home screen as well as the lock screen, just select Set as Wallpaper Pair. But you also have the option of Customize Home Screen if you want to set the selected photo as the wallpaper on your lock screen only. Now I will select Set as Wallpaper Pair. Now after you do that, you will set the selected wallpaper on your lock screen and on the home screen. Now on the home screen, it will be blurred out. Now to unblur the photo, just tap and hold on your home screen, then tap on Edit. From here, just tap on Edit Wallpaper. Then tap on the blur button to unblur your wallpaper. And after you're satisfied with your edit, then tap on Done. Now this is the first method to change the wallpaper on your iPhone. Now if you want to set a photo as the wallpaper for your home screen only, just tap and hold on your home screen, then tap on Edit. From here, just tap on Edit Wallpaper, then tap on Photo over here. Now in the Gallery app, just select a photo which you want to set as your wallpaper. For an example, I will select this photo. Now just adjust the size of the photo, and you can swipe to the left side to apply a filter to the photo. Now we will stick to the default option, and after you're done customizing your wallpaper, just tap on Done to save. Then tap on Done. And this is how you can set a photo as the wallpaper on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.